Hey everyone, welcome to the shop. Today we are going to be doing a tail light replacement with the new Sylvania Zevo LED bulbs, and we're going to show you how that's done on a 2014 Honda Ridgeline. So the tools we're going to need today for this job is obviously Sylvania light bulbs. This is the model 7443R for the Honda Ridgeline. That does the Ridgeline 2006 all the way to 2014, I believe. And we're going to need either a 10 mil ratchet, or in this case I'll just be using a 10 mil socket driver. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing the two 10 millimeter bolts from the left hand side. We're doing the rear right, so we're going to remove the bottom one here and the top one. Two bolts, make sure you don't lose them. And then we're going to be pulling straight out and away. The tail light mounts into two plastic pin housings here. And today we're going to be replacing the red lens tail light. So 1/8 of a turn, and out comes the bulb, just like that. So we're simply going to be drawing this bulb out, and when you put the new bulb in, just make sure your connections are lining up with the new one. Line up the ears on the mounting bracket for size, and your quarter turn back in. Once that's complete, we're gonna tuck the wiring harness back down into the bottom. We're gonna make sure we line up both of these pins here as we push straight back in into those plastic mounting holes. I'm gonna give it a little tap. And we're gonna simply reinstall our 10 millimeter bolts. Just like that, and we're done. Make sure when you are all done that it is operating. As you can see, the LED bulb is right there at the end of my fingertip. Thanks very much for coming by the shop today and watching the replacement of the Sylvania LED Zevo taillight bulb. And catch you guys next time.